Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings and then to the date and time. So in order to set up date and time manually, firstly disable set time automatically. So here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling automatic time zone. You can also disable use location to set time zone. You can also change time format. You can enable dual clock, which will display one clock of your current region and other clock of your home region. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.